smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.
There we go. 8 in the morning. Off we go. Camino walkers just getting on their way.
No?
No.
¿Sí? 4,5. 2. De nada. Hola, buenos días.
On our way out of town. Yeah. Edge of town developments. Now we're definitely out of town, so we have the short hop to Logrono. Oh, an underpass. Cacao! Around the corner to be met with another mural. Tadpoles. Into a lovely shaded area. Coming into industrial Logroño. La Rioja. Wow. Even the lorries go through these. One more time. Cacao! We're coming into a town, so there are going to be quite a few underpasses. Cacao! Good morning, day 7. So, 1 week on trail. And we've been really blessed with not bad weather. So today is a slightly shorter day because we had a real push yesterday to get our reserved room. Had to get there before 3 o'clock, which we did, which was great. But today, slightly shorter, about 24k. And it also gives us a chance to maybe dawdle a bit in Logrono. And I need to buy some new headphones because I lost them. Who knows? So, let's see where the rest of the day takes us. Another underpass. Cacao! The view over some of the industrial units. Coming down into Logrono. It's a modern city. People cutting grass. The bridge into Logrono. The bridge over the river into Logrono. Even the posts have got graphic designs of the Camino on them. The white asparagus we saw being picked the other day. Still leaving Logrono slowly. It routes you through some lovely park areas, so that's really good. Quiet walk through the park. I've just filled up thinking there might not be another tap, but 250 metres further on there's another tap. Incredibly well cared for public spaces. There's got to be a shed load of public money in this country. My guess is we've got an underpass coming up. It's just a wild guess. Cacao! This has only started since we got into Logrono, and maybe these bits of granite as markers for the Camino. A long dual-use path out to a lake. We've met a Spanish gentleman twice who's told us about it. Horseback. Ooh.
Por aquí abajo también, ¿eh? Sí, sí, igual, va al mismo lado.
Come upon a huge lake, probably the reservoir. One solitary duck.
Wondering where all the ladies are.
I think so, yeah. Cacao! New motorway. A lower basin. Coming into the square just outside the cathedral. This lovely sculpture of a woman carrying wine. And of course the obligatory water fountain. There's the entry. Here is our albergue, just down from the church.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.